In today's video, I'll show you how to use two Steam accounts on the same computer. You don't need any extra software for this. Steam already allows it if you know the correct steps. First, open Steam and log in with your first account as usual. Once Steam is fully open, click Steam in the top left corner. Now click Change Account. Steam will ask you to confirm. Click Change Account again. Steam will restart and take you back to the login screen. Here, enter the username and password of your second Steam account and log in. That's it. You're now using a different Steam account on the same computer. If you want to switch back to the first account, repeat the same steps. Click Steam, choose Change Account, and log in again. Important thing to remember, you cannot use two Steam accounts at the same time on one Windows user account. Only one Steam account can be logged in at a time. If you want separate game files and settings, you can also create a new Windows user account and log into Steam from there. And that's how you use two Steam accounts on the same computer. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.